There are ways to naturally welcome rest and relaxation into the body. And we'll try a couple of these. Be comfortable either lying in your bed or on the floor or on the earth. And we'll begin this practice by taking 3 cathartic cleansing breaths, releasing whatever the day has brought. Let's take a nice deep inhalation, fill up the body completely. Open mouth, exhale through the mouth, relax the body completely. 2 more, inhale, fill the body. Exhale, relax the body. And 1 more, this time stretch the arms over the head, stretch out and fill up. Open mouth, exhale, release and relax. And notice how you feel. Place your hands under your hips, palms down, so that your lower back is supported. And on the next inhalation, lift the feet 3 inches off the ground and flex all the muscles in your legs and your feet. Point your toes, hold your breath, squeeze your legs, hold your breath, squeeze your legs. Exhale, relax all the muscles in the legs. Relax your breath. And bend the knees and plant the feet. On the next inhalation, squeeze the hips up to the sky. Hold your breath. Squeeze. Hold the breath. Squeeze the hips. Hold the breath and squeeze. Full exhalation. Allow the hips to relax down to the earth. The breath to fully release. Make fists with your hands. On the next inhalation, squeeze your shoulders up to your ears. Hold your breath. Squeeze. Hold the breath. Squeeze. Full exhalation. Relax the shoulders and the breath completely. Pretend that there's a string from your heart up to the sky. Bring your hands by your sides. Press your hands down into the earth. Lift your heart up to the sky. Hold your breath. Lift the heart. Hold and lift. Hold and lift. Full exhalation. Chest relax back down. Body relaxes. The face. Pretend that you're making a sour face. Squeeze all the muscles in your face and hold your breath. Squeeze and hold. Squeeze and hold. Full exhalation. Relax all the muscles of your face and your breath. And finally, we'll put it all together. Bend the knees, plant the feet. Bring your hands down by your sides. Make fists with your hands. Take a nice deep inhale, squeeze the hips up to the sky, squeeze the shoulders up to the ears, squeeze all the muscles of your face, squeeze and hold, squeeze and hold, squeeze and hold. Full exhalation, allow the whole body to release and relax. The body prepared for rest, prepared for relaxation. Slipping into a deep state of rest as we listen to these beautiful crystal singing bowls for sound healing and rest.